Hey no babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be going ahead and unboxing and reviewing this new Born Pretty 6-piece collection, and I'm really excited to be going ahead and showing you guys. So as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, I will make sure to link down below all the products that I have featured on here, as well as do not forget to check out any of my latest videos, as well as any of my social media. It will be linked down below, as well as any of my past videos will also be here around the corner, so make sure to go check those out. But as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. And as you can see, that packaging is absolutely beautiful. It did just come like in a poly mailer, and this is what it looks like. So it still does have the plastic, but overall this is the packaging. As you can see, this is what the back looks like, and it does say all shine on me, professional nail art. As well as you can see back here, it does have any caution. If you guys have any questions with customer service or how to contact them, the info is in the back. So I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox this and remove the plastic film on it. So as you can see, this is a plastic film, and this is what the packaging looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. So we're going to be going ahead and opening her and seeing what this collection and colors look like. So as you can see, it just does have a black holder on it, and also we have a little manual there. So other than that, that's it for the packaging. And here is a little manual, so super cute. It does show how to prepare your nails, so how to prep them, how to apply the gel normal, just like on your natural nail, as well as how to apply a magnetic nail, so like cat eye. It shows you how to do it, as well as how to remove it. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to do it. Here in the back, it does also say how to have your nails last, and also just a little reminder, obviously for caution for the gels. You want to make sure you keep them in a cool, dry place out of sunlight, because if not, they're going to go bad. So as you can see, that's pretty much it for the little manual that it includes. But as in for the actual gels, as you can see, this is what they actually look like. So it is a collection of 6, like I did mention earlier. So starting off, if I could take them out, this first one, this is what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks really pretty. So it's a white bottle, and then the top is just kind of like a champagne kind of color, and it does, you can kind of see the color a little bit in the front, but I wish it was bigger, or like another kind of design where it didn't block the color. But other than that, super cute. They do hold 10 ml, and then in the back it does have the ingredients, where it's made, and all the little cautions as well. So as you can see, that's what this one looks like. This is Born Pretty CP02. So I'm guessing the collection is like a pink collection probably. Or actually a pastel collection. So this is BP CP05. Same thing here as well. This looks like a green. Here next we have 06. And obviously we do have 6 colors, so it is a collection of 6. Here we have number 3, that looks like a purple. And then here we have number 4, this looks like a blue kind of teal color. And then last but not least, here we have what kind of looks like a yellow. I was right, so this is number 1. So I cannot wait to swatch these. So as you can see, it is a collection of 6, a pastel collection to be specific. And I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing these. So I will be going ahead and swatching these with some clear swatches, as you can see here, and showing you guys off the colors. So again, I will be going ahead and swatching them with you guys. So I am first going to start off with number 1, which kind of just looks like a yellow. So as you could see, this is what this one looks like. It looks really pretty, actually. It definitely looks like a, not like a yellow, but it kind of has a little bit of a yellow orange tone, but it still looks very pretty. So I will be going ahead and swatching these, and they look super pigmented. Honestly, it looks like you don't really need much of the color, but here is number 1. So as you can see, this is what this first one looks like. Super cute. I definitely love the color. I will be going ahead and curing this for underneath 45 seconds. So that was number one. Now I will be going ahead and going just in order. So I'm going to go in with number two. This is number two. And as you can see, this is what this one looks like. It looks like a really, really, really pretty pink. Super, super pretty color, as you could see. So I will be going ahead and swatching that as well here on a swatch stick. So as you can see here, this is what the pink looks like. It is such a really nice baby pink. I definitely needed more pinks now that Valentine's is like right around the corner, as well as Easter and spring. So this is a perfect collection with spring coming up, but I will be going ahead and carrying this as well. This is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous pink. Next, I will be going ahead and swatching here number three, which is this purple lilac lavender color that looks absolutely beautiful. That looks super, super cute. That looks absolutely beautiful. Such a really, really nice purple. Then next I will be going ahead and swatching number four here. Now this looks like a blue, but then it looks like a teal here on the color, but I'm really, really excited to see what it looks like. As you can see, this is so beautiful. It's definitely more of like a blue, baby blue kind of color. It looks absolutely beautiful. Again, swatching her here. Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. And I will be going ahead and carrying that underneath the lamp again for 45 seconds. And then next here, I will be going ahead and swatching number five. This one is a really, really beautiful mint green color. So again, going ahead and swatching her here. And whenever you're also swatching, you want to make sure you don't use too much product on the first go, because obviously you don't want to create any air bubbles or if not cure right, but they cure absolutely good. And look at the pigmentation and color on that. That is absolutely beautiful. Again, curing this underneath the lamp for 45 seconds. Here next, I will be going ahead and swatching number six next. Last but not least, you can see here, this is what number six looked like. It looks like a really nice pastel orange, kind of cantaloupe kind of color. And again, swatching her on the swatch stick here. As you can see, such a really nice, beautiful color. But these are all 6 colors from the collection. Again, we have quite a variety, and these are perfect colors with spring coming around, Easter, perfect for some Easter designs, as well as with even St. Patrick's Day coming around. You could definitely use any of these colors. You do not have to wear like a ugly green, but you could definitely wear pastel colors. You know, like I said, spring is coming around, so make sure to check out Born Pretty. I will make sure again to link them down below. And now let's get to showing you guys how the colors look. So as you can see here, this is what the colors look like. They are absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. As you can see, quite a variety in this collection. Like I mentioned, this is a perfect collection right now that Easter is coming around, spring is coming around as well. Even though if you live here in Texas, you know the weather is bad. We recently just had a snow ice storm, so yeah, the weather is like barely clearing up here, which is another reason why I do apologize on why I really haven't really been too active. But make sure to stay tuned, and also make sure to go check out my most recent short that I posted if you guys haven't checked that out and given it a like yet. But as you can see here, we have the collection, and it looks absolutely beautiful and pretty. So make sure to go check it out. Like I mentioned, I will make sure to link it down below, so that way you guys could go ahead and grab your hands on it before it sells out. So make sure to go check it out. As you can see, like I mentioned, it does have a variety of color, as well as it does contain quite a good amount of 10 ml. So like I mentioned, make sure to go check them out. It will be linked down below. and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing / review. I absolutely love Born Pretty. It is definitely one of my favorite affordable brands, so make sure to go check them out. Like I mentioned, I will have them linked down below, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed the color swatches. Make sure to stay tuned if you guys want to see some nail art with these, so make sure to stay tuned and turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And also do not forget to subscribe, check me out, make sure to check down below in the description as well. And again, I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed swatching these and seeing this beautiful pastel collection you guys need. So make sure to go check it out. Again, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also I hope to see you guys in the next one now, babes.